everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a bag unboxing video. I feel like my videos aren't really popular anymore, except for like bag related videos, bag unboxing, bag review. You know, this also gives me a great excuse to spend all my money on bags. So if you guys are also into this topic, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up. So yeah, without further ado, let's just jump straight into the video. Oh, by the way guys, I also cut my hair before school. I feel like I always do that. But anyways, the bag that I'm gonna be unboxing with you guys today is the Burberry Lola bag. I already unboxed it because the cardboard box it came in was dirty. I got this bag off of SSENSE, but you can probably find it off of like Farfetch, the Burberry store website, you know? And I think it's like a classic as well, like a new classic type of bag. This is my first time ever buying a Burberry bag, so like the dust bag really surprised me with its color, but it's this kind of like minty green color if you guys can see. So that's what the dust bag looks like. Let me just show you what the actual product looks like. Ah, how cute. So this is what the bag looks like. So cute, black and white, and then silver hardware. You guys know I love this. So let me just show you guys. So this is what it looks like. So I really like how the strap has a leather part, because sometimes in the summertime when you're wearing like chain straps and you're wearing like a tank top and this part touches your skin, it's really cold. Yeah, also when you wear like the chain strap for a long time, it can kind of like dig into your shoulders. So this leather part is just gonna make it like a lot more comfortable, I guess. I've got my laptop over here. I'm gonna read the description because I never know what to say in these types of videos, so. Alright guys, so let me just go through the product detail with you guys because I don't really know what to say next. So essentially the Burberry Lola is a softly structured quilted runway bag crafted from horseberry print coated cotton. The style is punctuated with a polished chain strap and the Thomas Burberry monogram. Wear it on the shoulder or style as a crossbody bag. So we love that. I feel like you could really dress this item up or down depending on like wherever you're going. It's also got like the kind of YesStyle Lulu pillow bag touch to it because it's kind of squishy and just like thicker than usual. I really am going to prevent this bag from getting any scratches because, you know, I like to take care of my stuff. Wait, I just realized the sticker is still on. Let me take it off. Off. Let me just take off this front part. There we go. How cute, guys. Really, really nice silver logo. I love this. So if you guys have any other additional, you know, questions or whatever you have about the bag, definitely let me know in the comments. Like, I replied to all the questions you guys asked on my Balenciaga Hourglass video, so just leave them down below. Yeah, I'm super excited. Look how shiny. Yeah guys, that's pretty much it. I have nothing else to say about it. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'm just gonna put this back in the dust bag because I'm not gonna wear it today. I just put it over there. If you guys enjoyed this video, definitely subscribe to my channel and like this video. I'll be definitely doing a lot more of kind of handbag related videos if you guys are interested because I love talking about it. I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you guys are. And also don't forget to check me out on my other social media platforms listed down below. And I will see you guys in my next video.